Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we are in beautiful Saltburn by the sea. It's a classic car hill climb. I've managed to get into this event. But yeah, I'm going to show you around the cars and that. Should be a good day. The sun is shining again. It's absolutely beautiful day. The sound of these RS2000s Mach 2 Escorts sound awesome. So here we go. You just can't mistake that sound. So everyone's turning up right now. Got classic bikes. This is going to be a really good show today. Fiat Mirafioroni 131 Abarth rally car. That's the left hooker. Guy lives in Mask. That's pretty cool. There's a nice E-Type. It's nice in blue. As you can tell, I like the colour blue. Is that a V12? No, it's a 4.2. That's really nice. Check that out, guys. That's a really nice blue. It's like a French racing blue, I would say. We've got a nice Mark II's just pulled up. Blue with a red interior. It's very nice. Same colour as my Triumph Stag. It's like a royal blue. Right guys, I'm going to go around the cars here. Most of them have turned up now. So let's check these cars out. Saltburn Hill Climb 2023. Six.
Oh, yeah. Go with him and carry him. Carry him.
Park out the back of Saltburn out. If you can't get parked, then you can do it.
He's nice. Mini. Compress. If you've never been to Saltburn by the sea, then you
Did it? Yeah.
Let's go and tell us all about it then.
So it's 1974 Hillman Super Imp with a 1997 BMW K1200 RS motorbike engine in. So it's about 130 horsepower and weighs about 700 kilos.
Oh wow, that should fly.
Yeah, it goes well. It goes well.
Especially up the hill.
Hey,
you might win this.
I never stop.
Depends how good you are at driving, that is.
Well, that's the thing.
You need a good driver, you know.
Don't drive it.
Just ask me.
yeah.
Oh, that's really cool, that.
Something different, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's what it's all about. Cool. Do you want to crank it up for us? Hear what it sounds like. Obviously, it's pretty safety here. Yeah, that does sound like a motorbike. Very nice. So we got a Hillman imp with a motorbike engine in it. Very cool. What's the little model there? Really?
My friend made it for me.
Oh, right. Did you just rest that now? Or does it stay there all the time?
No,
Oh, okay.
no, put it back in the car when we move it. My friend made it for me just after we restored it. So a few things have changed. It's not exactly the same now as what it was in 2016 when it first went on the road, but yeah, it's still a little quirky, isn't it?
Yeah, nice one.
Cheers.
Some nice bikes here. Yeah, it's cars and bikes today, guys and girls. Look at the Royal Enfield. Right, guys and girls, we're just about to go on this hill climb. Let's see how the Triumph Stag does. So here we are, guys and girls, just about to do this hill climb. So I'll see how the Triumph Stag does. Well, it's an absolutely gorgeous day today. I've just been up on the hill climb in the Stag. Did really well. Getting loads of interest with the car as well here. But yeah, what a gorgeous day, and this is what's to do. This place needs pushing a bit more for this. I would have this on twice a year. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. It's been a really good show. It's just starting to rain now, so I think a lot of people are disappearing. They can't really do a hill climb in the rain. So on that note, see you tomorrow.